Dear friends, this video is Chapter 2 of Basic Skill of TIPPER, Operation of TIPPER. Useful to construction professional and technicians working in construction industry. Here we will discuss about A. Introduction to TIPPER operations. B. Basic principles of TIPPER operation. C. Machine controls and functions of TIPPER. D. Advanced defensive driving techniques. E. Precision and efficient operation of TIPPER. We'll now begin discussing a different topic. A. Introduction to TIPPER operations. TIPPER operations refer to a specific type of transportation and logistics service that involves the use of TIPPER trucks or dump trucks. These operations are essential in various industries, including construction, mining, agriculture, waste management, and more. TIPPER trucks are characterized by their open box bed, which can be raised at the front to dump or tip the cargo, allowing for efficient unloading. Here is an introduction to TIPPER operations. 1. Types of TIPPER trucks. TIPPER trucks come in various sizes and configurations, ranging from small, single-axle dump trucks to large, heavy-duty vehicles with multiple axles. The choice of TIPPER truck depends on the specific needs of the industry and the type of materials being transported. 2. Cargo handling. TIPPER trucks are primarily designed for transporting loose bulk materials such as sand, gravel, soil, rocks, construction debris, agricultural produce, and waste. The open box design allows for easy loading and unloading of these materials. 3. Dumping mechanism. The tipping mechanism of a TIPPER truck is usually hydraulic, allowing the driver to lift the front end of the truck's bed and discharge the cargo. This feature is critical for efficient and controlled unloading at construction sites, mines, or dumping grounds. 4. Versatility. TIPPER trucks are versatile vehicles capable of handling a wide range of tasks. They are used for hauling construction materials to job sites, transporting harvested crops from farms, removing waste and debris, and more. 5. Safety considerations. Operating TIPPER trucks requires adherence to strict safety protocols. Overloading can lead to instability and accidents, so weight limits must be observed. Additionally, securing the cargo with tarps or covers is often necessary to prevent spillage during transit. 6. Maintenance. Regular maintenance of TIPPER trucks is essential to ensure their safe and efficient operation. This includes checking hydraulic systems, tires, brakes, and other critical components to prevent breakdowns. 7. Regulations. TIPPER operations are subject to various regulations and standards, depending on the region and the type of cargo being transported. Compliance with weight limits, environmental regulations, and road safety rules is crucial. 8. Environmental impact. The use of TIPPER trucks can have environmental implications, especially when hauling materials like mining waste or construction debris. Dust control and proper disposal of materials are important aspects of mitigating the environmental impact. 9. Cost efficiency. Proper management of TIPPER operations is essential for cost efficiency. This includes optimizing routes, scheduling maintenance, and minimizing downtime. 10. Technological advancements. Like many other industries, TIPPER operations have benefited from technological advancements. GPS tracking, telematics, and fleet management software have become valuable tools for improving efficiency and safety. In conclusion, TIPPER operations are a vital component of industries that require the transportation of bulk materials. These operations involve specialized trucks with unique features designed to handle the specific needs of the cargo they carry. Adherence to safety regulations and environmental considerations are essential for the successful and responsible operation of TIPPER trucks. B. Basic principles of TIPPER operation. The basic principles of TIPPER operation involve understanding the equipment, ensuring safety, and efficiently transporting and unloading bulk materials. Here are the fundamental principles of TIPPER operation. 1. Familiarization with the TIPPER truck. Before operating a TIPPER truck, it's crucial to become familiar with its specific features, controls, and safety mechanisms. Understand how the tipping mechanism works and how to control it safely. 2. Pre-trip inspection. Conduct a thorough pre-trip inspection of the tipper truck. Check tires, brakes, lights, hydraulic systems, and any other critical components to ensure they are in proper working condition. Address any issues before starting your journey. 3. Load securement. Properly secure the load inside the truck's bed to prevent shifting or spilling during transit. Depending on the material being transported, this may involve using tarps, straps, or other securing methods. 4. Weight distribution. Pay close attention to weight distribution within the truck's bed. Overloading or uneven weight distribution can lead to instability and accidents. Always adhere to weight limits specified for the vehicle. 5. Safe driving practices. Operate the tipper truck safely, adhering to all traffic laws and regulations. Keep a safe following distance, obey speed limits, and be especially cautious when navigating turns or slopes. 6. Tipping procedure. When it's time to unload the cargo, follow the proper tipping procedure. Engage the hydraulic system to raise the front end of the truck's bed slowly and evenly. Avoid abrupt or jerky movements, as this can lead to instability. 7. Controlled unloading. As the bed is raised, control the rate at which the material is dumped. Avoid dumping too quickly, which can create a hazardous situation or damage the truck. Ensure that the cargo is unloaded in the desired location. 8. Environmental considerations. Be mindful of the environment during tipping operations. Some materials, like construction debris or loose soil, can create dust or debris that affects visibility and the surrounding area. Take steps to minimize environmental impact. 9. Safety gear. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, including a helmet, high-visibility clothing, and safety boots. Depending on the material being transported, you may also need respiratory protection. 10. Communication. Maintain clear communication with ground personnel or spotters when operating a tipper truck, especially in confined spaces or areas with limited visibility. Spotters can help guide you safely during the unloading process. 11. Emergency procedures. Familiarize yourself with emergency procedures, such as what to do in case of hydraulic system failure or an accident. Having a plan in place can mitigate risks and minimize damage in case of unforeseen events. 12. Regular maintenance. Follow a regular maintenance schedule for the tipper truck to ensure its continued safe and efficient operation. Address any issues promptly to prevent breakdowns or accidents. 13. Training and certification. Ensure that operators are properly trained and certified to operate tipper trucks. Training should cover vehicle operation, safety protocols, and emergency procedures. Adhering to these basic principles of tipper operation is essential for the safe and efficient transportation and unloading of bulk materials while minimizing the risk of accidents and environmental harm. Always prioritize safety and follow industry best practices. C. Machine controls and functions of tipper. Tipper trucks, also known as dump trucks, come equipped with various machine controls and functions that are essential for their safe and efficient operation. These controls and functions are designed to facilitate the loading, transportation, and unloading of bulk materials. Here are some of the key machine controls and functions of a typical tipper truck. 1. Steering wheel. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the tipper truck. It is used to steer the vehicle along its intended path. 2. Accelerator and brake pedals. These pedals control the speed and braking of the tipper truck. The accelerator pedal is pressed to increase speed, while the brake pedal is used to slow down or stop the truck. 3. Gear shift lever. The gear shift lever is used to select the appropriate gear for driving. Tipper trucks may have manual or automatic transmissions, and the gear shift lever is used to shift between gears. 4. Clutch. If applicable in manual transmission tipper trucks, the clutch pedal is used to disengage the engine from the transmission, allowing for gear changes. Automatic transmission trucks do not have a clutch pedal. 5. Hydraulic controls. Tipper trucks are equipped with hydraulic systems that can control the raising and lowering of the truck's bed or cargo box. Hydraulic controls typically include levers or buttons that allow the operator to manipulate the tipping mechanism. 6. Tipper bed controls. These controls enable the operator to raise and lower the front end of the truck's cargo bed. Typically, the controls include a lever or switch for lifting and lowering the bed. 7. PTO, power takeoff, control. The PTO control engages and disengages the power takeoff unit, which is responsible for powering the hydraulic system that operates the tipping mechanism. 8. Dumping controls. These controls determine the rate at which the material in the cargo bed is dumped. They allow the operator to control the tipping angle and the speed at which the material is discharged. 9. Dump body safety locks. Tipper trucks may have safety locks or mechanisms to secure the dump body in the raised position to prevent accidental lowering during transit. 10. Tarping system controls, if equipped. Some tipper trucks are equipped with tarping systems to cover and secure the load. Controls for deploying and retracting the tarp are typically located near the driver's seat. 11. Horn. The horn is used to signal to other vehicles or individuals for safety and communication purposes. 12. Lights and signals. Tipper trucks have various lights and signals, including headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights, to ensure visibility and safety on the road. 13. Instrument cluster. The instrument cluster provides the driver with essential information, such as vehicle speed, engine RPM, fuel level, and warning lights for various systems. 14. Emergency brake, hand brake. The emergency brake, often referred to as the hand brake or parking brake, is used to secure the truck when it is parked. 15. Mirrors and cameras. Mirrors and, in some cases, cameras provide the driver with visibility around the truck, especially when maneuvering, changing lanes, or reversing. 16. GPS and telematics, optional. Some modern tipper trucks may be equipped with GPS navigation and telematics systems for tracking and communication. It's crucial for tipper truck operators to be properly trained and familiarize themselves with all these controls and functions to operate the vehicle safely and efficiently. Additionally, regular maintenance and inspections are essential to ensure that these controls operate correctly. D. Advanced defensive driving techniques. Advanced defensive driving techniques go beyond the basics of safe driving and focus on proactive measures to anticipate and respond to potential hazards on the road. These techniques are designed to enhance your driving skills, reduce the risk of accidents, and improve overall road safety. Here are some advanced defensive driving techniques to consider. 1. Anticipate and predict. Always stay ahead of traffic and road conditions. Scan the road as far ahead as possible and anticipate potential hazards or changes in traffic flow. Look for brake lights, erratic behavior from other drivers, and road signs indicating potential problems. 2. Maintain a safe following distance. Leave ample space between your vehicle and the vehicle in front of you. A general rule of thumb is the 3-second rule, which means you should maintain a 3-second gap between your vehicle and the one ahead. In adverse weather conditions or when driving at higher speeds, increase the following distance. 3. Use the space cushion technique. Surround your vehicle with a space cushion by positioning your vehicle in a way that maximizes your visibility and minimizes your exposure to potential dangers. Avoid driving directly alongside other vehicles for extended periods. 4. Practice situational awareness. Continuously assess the traffic environment. Be aware of the positions and behaviors of other vehicles, pedestrians, and potential obstacles. Always be prepared to react to unexpected situations. 5. Defensive lane positioning. Position your vehicle in a lane that maximizes your visibility and minimizes blind spots. Maintain a position where you have an escape route if needed. Avoid staying in other drivers' blind spots. 6. Check mirrors and blind spots frequently. Regularly check your rear view and side mirrors, and glance over your shoulder to check blind spots before changing lanes or making maneuvers. 7. Use turn signals early. Indicate your intentions to other drivers well in advance. Use your turn signals early to communicate your intentions, giving other drivers time to react. 8. Stay informed about road conditions. Be aware of current weather conditions, road closures, construction zones, and traffic incidents by using navigation apps, traffic reports, or real-time updates. 9. Avoid distractions. Eliminate distractions inside your vehicle. This includes not using your phone, adjusting the radio, or eating while driving. Keep your focus on the road. 10. Plan escape routes. Always have an escape plan in mind, especially in heavy traffic or when driving on highways. Know where you can move your vehicle to avoid a collision if necessary. 11. Practice defensive parking. When parking, choose a spot that minimizes the risk of your vehicle being damaged by other drivers or shopping carts. Parking farther from the entrance may reduce the risk of dings and dents. 12. Use your horn and lights wisely. Use your horn and lights to communicate with other drivers in situations where it's necessary, but avoid unnecessary honking or flashing your lights aggressively. 13. Be mindful of road rage. Stay calm and avoid engaging with aggressive or road rage-prone drivers. Focus on de-escalation and maintaining your own composure. 14. Adapt to weather conditions. Adjust your driving to match the current weather conditions. Reduce speed in rain, snow, or fog, and ensure your headlights and taillights are on for visibility. 15. Take defensive driving courses. Consider enrolling in defensive driving courses, which can provide valuable insights and practical skills to enhance your driving abilities. Remember that advanced defensive driving is about being proactive and making decisions that prioritize safety on the road. By consistently applying these techniques, you can reduce your risk of accidents and contribute to safer roads for everyone. E. Precision and efficient operation of tipper. Precision and efficient operation of a tipper truck, also known as a dump truck, is crucial to ensure the safe transport and unloading of bulk materials while maximizing productivity and minimizing downtime. Here are some key strategies to achieve precision and efficiency in tipper truck operations. 1. Load management. 1A. Properly load the cargo within the truck's bed to ensure even distribution of weight and stability during transport. 1B. Adhere to weight limits specified for the vehicle to prevent overloading, which can lead to safety hazards and damage to the truck. 2. Maintenance and inspection. 2A. Conduct regular pre-trip and post-trip inspections to identify and address any issues with the truck's mechanical systems, hydraulics, tires, and brakes. 2B. Schedule routine maintenance to keep the truck in optimal working condition and prevent breakdowns that can disrupt operations. 3. Safe driving practices. 3A. Follow safe driving practices, including maintaining a safe following distance, obeying speed limits, and using proper signaling techniques. 3B. Avoid abrupt stops and starts to minimize wear and tear on the truck's components. 4. Route planning. 4A. Plan routes in advance to optimize fuel efficiency and minimize travel time. 4B. Avoid routes with low bridges, weight-restricted roads, or other obstacles that may hinder efficient transportation. 5. Hydraulic system management. 5A. Familiarize yourself with the operation of the hydraulic system responsible for raising and lowering the truck's bed. 5B. Use the hydraulic controls judiciously to achieve precise and controlled dumping of materials. 6. Dumping technique. 6A. When unloading, raise the front end of the truck's bed slowly and evenly to maintain stability and prevent spillage. 6B. Control the rate at which the cargo is dumped to ensure it is unloaded in the desired location. 7. Environmental considerations. 7A. Be mindful of environmental regulations and guidelines, especially when transporting materials that can generate dust, debris, or pollutants. 7B. Implement measures to minimize environmental impact, such as using dust suppression systems or covering loads with tarps. 8. Effective communication. 8A. Maintain clear communication with ground personnel or spotters when operating the tipper truck, especially in confined spaces or areas with limited visibility. 8B. Ensure that loading and unloading processes are coordinated efficiently. 9. Safety equipment. 9A. Equip the tipper truck with safety features such as backup cameras and alarms to enhance visibility and prevent accidents during reversing maneuvers. 9B. Carry safety equipment like reflective vests, cones, and fire extinguishers in the truck for emergency situations. 10. Training and certification. 10A. Ensure that operators are well trained and certified to operate tipper trucks, including the use of hydraulic systems and other specialized equipment. 10B. Stay updated on industry best practices and safety guidelines through ongoing training. 11. Record keeping. 11A. Maintain accurate records of daily operations, including mileage, fuel consumption, maintenance schedules, and any incidents or accidents. 11B. Analyze these records to identify areas for improvement and cost-saving opportunities. 12. Efficient loading and unloading. 12A. Minimize idle time at loading and unloading sites by optimizing the process. Use equipment such as loaders or excavators efficiently to expedite the process. By consistently implementing these strategies, you can achieve precision and efficiency in tipper truck operations, resulting in safer transportation, reduced downtime, and improved productivity. Friends, we have explained in brief about tipper operations, basic principles of tipper operation, machine controls and functions of tipper, advanced defensive driving techniques, precision and efficient operation of tipper. We request all to mention your view and requirement in comments section of YouTube video. Also like and share to your friend. Also subscribe our YouTube channel Infomechanizer. This is 100% free.